So now we have done this example. We are having a next example. Stop writing, beta. Come on. So we are having next example in which only small difference we have, and that small difference I am drawing this way. It is, instead of this 4 volts, polarity is negative positive only, we have a controlled source and its voltage source only with this polarity. It is 0.5 Ix. It is 0.5 Ix and Ix current is this. It is given. It is given this way in the book. This is Ix. Okay? So we are interested to solve again. Say we want to find out V1, V2 and V3 over here. Is it clear? Question is done. Fine. Again, this remains the same. This will be your super node. Why? Because in between 2 voltage source you have another voltage source. Though it is like independent or dependent one, it is a voltage source right now. So the method will be different. Fine. What we have done, the same thing will be doing. But now what is happening, the complexity is that Ix is introduced. And you should understand what is Ix. Ix is current flowing through this particular branch. Acha, so if I want to write down the value of Ix, also the equation of say the equation of Ix, I say that it is V1 minus V3 into 2. Is it clear? So I have got the very first thing that Ix is equal to V1 minus V3 multiplied by 2. Is it clear? Any doubt on this? Clear? Fine. So now we have got the value of Ix and first thing is done. Now let's deal with again nodal equations at V1. Equation will remain same. There is no change into the equation. So we'll say that this equation, this current is V1 minus V3 multiplied by 2 plus this current is 2 plus this current is V1 minus V2 into 3. Is it clear? V1 minus V2 into 3 and this current will be what? This is plus 5 ampere. It is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubt on this? Fine. Now let's open it up. We'll be having 2V1, 3V1, that's 5V1, that's 5V1, V2 is there, minus 2V2, I'm sorry, 3V2, okay, and it is minus 2V3, and this is 2 plus 5, it's plus 7 is equal to 0. So I can say that 5V1 minus 3V2 minus 2V3 is equal to minus 7. It is my first equation, equation A. Clear? Now let's say at V2, the same thing. I consider the current which is flowing like this is I and current which is flowing like this is I. Is it clear? I won't change the direction of current over here. So we can say that here 3 currents are coming and 1 current is going. So I'll say that 2 plus V1 minus V2 into 3 plus 0 minus V2 into 4 is equal to I. This is clear? Fine. I'll open this thing and I'll be having 2 plus 3V1 minus 7V2 is equal to I. So this is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 1. Now equation number 2 at V3. At V3 I'll be having equation 2 at V3. Fine. Equation number 2 will be like this. See, I is equal to this plus this plus this. So I'll be having I that is equal to, this current is V3 minus 0 into 1. V3 minus 0 into 1 plus this current is minus 16. This current is V3 minus V1 into 2. V3 minus V1 into 2. Is it clear to all of you? Fine. Simple, very simple, just like the previous example. So I have got this equation. I will give mujhe, I mean again I have, let's open it up. I'll be having I is equal to minus 2v1 v3, then this is 2v3, so plus 3v3 minus 16. So I have got another equation, equation number 2 for I. Is it clear? Fine. Now what will I do? I'll compare both the equations. So I can say that 2 from 1 and 2, we can say that 2 plus 3v1 minus 7v2 is equal to minus 2 plus 3v3 minus 16. Fine. So we'll take it this side, or let's take it this side. It is becoming minus 18 is equal to 3v1. v1 is not there, so 3v1. v2 is not there, minus 7v2. We don't have v1 in this equation. We do have v1 in this equation. So this is minus 2v1, right? Plus 3v3, right? Minus 2v1 plus 3v3. So 2v1 will come, we will make it 5v1. This is minus 7v2 and minus 3v3. It is equal to minus 18. I have got another equation. This is equation D. Fine. Now I cannot make the third equation here. Fine. What I have to do is I have to go for this super node. So again I'll draw the network. I'll be having V2. I'll be having this minus plus 0.5 Ix, and I'll be having V3. The meaning of it is very clear to me. This is like this. This is clear. Fine. This is V2. This is V3. I'll apply KVL. So it is V2 का rise plus 0.5 Ix का rise minus V3 equal to 0. So I'll say that Ix is what? Ix is equal to V1 minus V3 into 2. So this value I'll put over here. I'll be having V2 plus 0.5. This is V1 minus V3 into 2 minus V3, which is equal to 0. I have kept the value of Ix here. Is it clear? Fine. So 0.5 into 2, that's 1. So I'll be having V2 plus V1 minus V3 is equal to 0. So I've got V1 plus V2 minus 2V3 is equal to 0. I've got my equation number C. So now I have my matrix. Fine. First equation, as such there is no 0, so I'll write down first equation first. So 5 minus 3 minus 2, 5 minus 3 minus 2. Then second is 5 minus 7 minus 3, and third one is 1 minus 2. This is V1, V2, V3. In first I have minus 7, fine, minus 7. In second I have minus 18, and in third I have 0. Is it clear? I can easily calculate delta. Fine, I'll find out the first one, and then rest of you have to calculate. So let's find out delta. Have your calculators with you. So this is 5 into 14 minus plus 3. So this is minus 1 into, sorry, it is minus 3, right? It is minus 3. Plus 3. Minus plus 3. Minus 10.
Plus 3.
Minus and plus 3. And then here plus 2. It's minus 2 into 5 plus 7. It is equal to
85.
It is 85 plus
Minus 21.
minus 21.
Minus 24.
Minus 24, which comes out to be
40.
40. It is 40. So delta is equal to 40. Fine. Okay, now let's find out delta 1. Delta 1, which is equal to, I'll be replacing this over here with the first column. So I'll be having a determinant which is like minus 7, minus 18, 0, minus 3, minus 7, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. So delta delta 1 is equal to minus 7 into 14 minus minus plus 3 into minus plus 36 minus 0, fine, and minus 2 into minus 18 plus 0 minus 0, fine. So we have delta 1 which is equal to, this is 119 minus 119 plus 108 plus 36, which comes out to be what happened? 25. Delta 1 is equal to 25. So we have got d1 which is equal to delta 1 upon delta. It is again 40 divided by 25. It is 1.6, right? What do you wanna?
Sir, 25
Delta
divided by 40.
Delta 1 upon delta.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Delta 1 upon delta. Okay. 0.625 volts. So V1 is equal to this much. Fine. Okay.